What's up, y'all? Today's video we're gonna work on Crusty. I haven't got the vacuum pump yet. I ordered it, I just ain't got it yet. So we're just gonna keep on going here with this. It's a transmission cross member, a double hump transmission cross member. Alright, so there it is. It's got two humps here. Well, I guess it goes this way. And for dual exhaust, so your exhaust won't hang way down. Yeah, on the bolts. So that's what we're gonna do. Put that on. Alright, here's what the old one looks like. It's, you see the header right here, right there. It's pointed right at the transmission cross member. So that new double hump actually humps up here, so it comes through there. But I think the original one, the exhaust runs under the transmission, connects to that one, and then comes over top of it, the transmission cross member right here, and it kind of dips down to allow it to come across the top. That new one's going to have a hump on this side and a hump on this side, so they can both come through. Ah, great. Thing about a half a can here, ain't even pressurized no more, ain't even working. Great. Guess I gotta go get another one. All right, let's try this again. There we go. Those are going to be fun to get to, way up in there. Alright, so I'm having a slight problem here. I don't know if y'all can see that, but there's a bolt right here, and it comes through the top of the frame, through the cross member, and the cab is right here. I got like a finger's width. I can get my finger in there, but I can't get the bolt out. It won't come out. Now let's jack the cab up. I'm not trying to do that, but it does unbolt here, and there's one on the other side. So I'm gonna take those out, take this bottom piece out, and then this one should come off. And I guess those bolts will just dangle in there until one day I'll zip them off with a grinder or whatever. I'll probably never get to it. They'll probably just dangle in there or whatever. But yeah, that's what I got. Alright, so I decided to go ahead and try to cut these things off because I don't want them rattling around while I'm driving and stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut them off while I'm right here at it. Might as well. I need to stop being lazy. Go ahead and do it. Alright, here's a comparison, old and new. There is a slight difference there. Right here, the transmission mount I got just got that one center bolt in it. There ain't one on there. So I don't know if I'm gonna drill a hole in this one or see if they make a different mount, transmission mount maybe. I don't know, we'll see. Alright, so I think I'm gonna just buy a new mount. They make a mount with the 2 bolts in it, so I think I'm just gonna buy a mount to put on it. It's hitting this exhaust shield right there. I'm gonna have to bend that up out of the way. That transmission cross members hitting this thing here. Instead of bending it, I think I'm just gonna take the whole thing off. Alright, I got the new cross member in here. I just got the bolts just ran in here. I ain't putting no nuts on it yet until I get my trans mount, so I can adjust it to where I need it to go. But and the same on this side, I just got the bolts just kind of sitting there. But it's in here. I got that exhaust shield out of here, out of the way. And now you can see I got plenty of room to run my exhaust both sides. For some reason this header hangs way down compared to that one. It's a lot shorter. I don't know what's going on with them. I might end up buying a new set of headers. I don't know yet, but anyways, for now I think I'm just gonna cut a piece of 2x4, a little piece off of maybe that, and stick in here and just let it sit there until I get my trans mount, and then I'll come back and finish it up. Alright, I'm back. I got the mount I need, so let's go ahead and put it on there. Alright, there it is. header's gonna come through there nice. That one's hanging way down. It's supposed to be up here. Got the new mill on there. It's got 2 bolts in it instead of that one. Alright guys, that's done. That's one less thing we gotta do. I moved the truck over to put gravels down where it was sitting because it's kind of on a slope. I'm gonna try to build that one side up and everything, but anyways, that's it for this one. Till next time, see ya.